Hello, I'm Kacper, an engineer at MTS Technik, and today I'd like to show you our coilover suspension kit for the second generation Kia Ceed, Kia Pro Cee'd, and second generation Hyundai i30. The front axle components consist of threaded shock absorbers finished in gold zinc plating, featuring the hexacoil adjustment nut. Hexacoil, thanks to the use of clamping screw, significantly improves the ease of adjusting your suspension height. The front springs are made by a German company, eibach, and these are progressive springs providing excellent driving characteristics and maximum comfort. Additionally, the front axle kit includes dedicated bump stops and dust covers. The rear axle kit is equipped with a sport shock absorber with a shortened stroke, suited for a lowered suspension with increased dampening force compared to the original shock absorber. Rear springs, made by eibach as well, are ERS-type springs with linear characteristics. Thanks to their internal diameter of 60 mm, they allow for easy replacement with springs of different stiffness. Additionally, the rear axle kit includes helper springs, which provide preload for the main spring, dedicated bump stop and dust covers, as well as the front axle kit, and black anodized aluminum height adjusters and spring caps. Besides the kit itself, you will also get any necessary technical documentation, such as installation manual, MTS Technik stickers, and adjustment wrench. Thanks for watching.